Chapter 3 Compound Interest and Chapter 4 Annuity. Okay, hi guys, so let's start with part A, question 1. A. 9 years ago, 5,000 was invested in a bank account that paid an interest rate of 8% compounded semi-annually. The balance in the account today is 10,129 ringgit 8 cents. If another 2,000 is added into the same account today, find the total amount 2 years from now. So, how to answer the question is, first we need to know which formula that we need to use. So, S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I of the power M. So from the question, we saw a few keywords that we need to take out and list down before we started to use the formula. So first, I equal to K over M. So K equal to 0.08 and M equal to 2. So I 0.08 over 2. And then for N, 2 times 2 equal to 4. But we don't know the amount of P and S. So how to find P is P equal to 10,129 ringgit 8 cents plus with 3,000. So we can get the P. P equal to 13,129 ringgit 8 cents. And now we can find S applied to the formula. So S equal to 13,129 ringgit 8 cents in bracket 1 plus 0.08 over 2 to the power of 4. So S is 15,359 ringgit 17 cents. So that's the answer. So for P, Imani invested 6,000 for 5 years and 6 months. The bank offered 5% compounded monthly for the first 4 years 6 months and K% compounded annually for the rest of the period. If the amount in the account at the end of the term was 8,500, we need to find K. So in the question, we need to list down the keywords that given in the question. So S equal to 8,500, P equal to 6,000. So based on the question, total is 5 years and 6 months. But we already know bank offer 5% compounded monthly for the first 4 years 6 months. So what we need to do is 5 years 6 months for the first case. So it will be 5% equal to 0.05, and we need to find another 1 year, which is from 5 years 6 months minus with 4 years 6 months. So we know we need to find another K which is equal to 1 year. For M, we get 12. T1, we got 9 over 12 years. I equal to 0.05 over 12. And N1 equal to 12 times with 9 over 12 equal to 54. Okay, so we need to find P2 first. 6,000 in bracket 1 plus 0.05 over 12 in the power of 54 equal to 7,510 ringgit 42 cents. 8,500 equal to 7,510 ringgit 42 cents in bracket 1 plus K over 1 of the power 1. And then 8,500 equals 7,510 ringgit 42 cents in bracket 1 plus K. So 7,510 ringgit 42 cents, we need to expand it and equal to 8,500 equals 7,510 ringgit 42 cents plus with 7,510 ringgit 42 cents K. 7,510 ringgit 42 cents K equal to 8,500 minus with 7,510 ringgit 42 cents. Okay, the answer we got is 989 ringgit 58 cents. So from the 7,510 ringgit 42 cents K, we only one K, so bring the amount to another side, it will become K over 989 ringgit 58 cents over 7,510 ringgit 42 cents equal to K 1318 times 800 because we need in percentage. So K equal to 13.18%. Okay, so second question is, based on the question, P equal to 8,500, T equal to 2, M equal to 2, K equal to 0.06, I equal to K over M, so 0.06 over 2, and N equal to M times with T, so we get 4. So this one is more easier, so S equal to 8,500, in bracket 1 plus 0.06 over 2, number of 4, and then S we get 4,783 ringgit 41 cents.
Part A, question 2. Suppose you have two investment options. Option A offers an annual interest rate of 7% compounded every 3 months, while option B offers an annual interest rate of 6% compounded monthly. So which option will yield a higher return on an RM20,000 investment over 5 years? 7 marks. Let's refer to the formula. S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N, which is equivalent to S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT, because I equal to K over M and N equal to MT, which is M multiplied with T. Now let's substitute the values. First, let's refer to the formula. S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I close bracket to the power of N, which is equivalent to S equal to P in bracket 1 plus K over M close bracket to the power of MT, because I equal to K over M and N equal to MT, which is M multiplied with T. Now, let's substitute the values. We're comparing two investment options, option A and option B, to determine which one will yield a high return on an RM20,000 investment over 5 years. As you can see, all the keywords are already highlighted. The principal P is RM20,000, the term T is 5 year. For option A, the compounding frequency M is 3. The interest rate K is 7%, but we need to convert it into a decimal, so it becomes 0.07. Meanwhile, for option B, the compounding frequency M is 12. The interest rate K is 6%, which is in decimal form is 0.06. For option A, S equal to P is 20,000, in bracket 1 plus I is 0.07 over 3, close bracket to the power of 15. 15 is the result of multiplying 3 and 5. After calculation, the answer for S is 28,267 ringgit 46 cent. For option B, S equal to P is 20,000, in bracket 1 plus I is 0.06 over 12, close bracket to the power of 60. 60 is the result of multiplying 6 and 5. After calculation, the answer for S is RM26,977 3 cent. So based on the book's answer, option A will yield a higher return on our RM20,000 investment over 5 years.
I will continue the next part, which is part B, question 1. Jane is getting ready to start a new business and has secured financing by obtaining loan of 100,000 ringgit from a bank. The loan comes with an interest rate of 4.5% compounded monthly and has a repayment term of 15 years. So calculate the periodic payment for her loan, which is the R. So I will explain the calculation at the next page. So now I will show the calculation for the question 1. In this question, we have the loan, which is A equals to 100,000 ringgit, K 0.045, M equals to 12, T equals to 15, I equals to 0.045 divided with 12, N equals to 12 multiplied with 15 equals to 118. So now we want to find the R. We use the formula A equals to R, bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, bracket to the power of negative N, divide I bracket. So now we want to transfer the R at the left and A transfer at the right. So now R equals to A divide with bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus I, bracket to the power of negative N, divide with I bracket. So R equals to 100,000 ringgit, divide bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.045, divide 12 bracket to the power of 118, divide with 0.045, divide 12 bracket. So the answer for R is 764 ringgit and 99 cents. Now we continue the second question, which is, if she failed to pay the first 4 monthly payments, find the amount she had to pay on the 5th payment to settle the outstanding arrears. Now the question, when we to find the S, so we have the R. The R is 764 ringgit and 99 cents. I equals to 0.045 divided 12, N equals to 5. So we use the formula S, which is S equals to R bracket 1 plus I the power of N minus 1 divided with I. So S equals to bracket 764 ringgit and 99 cents, bracket 1 plus 0.045 divided with 12, bracket to the power of 5 minus 1 divided with 0.045 divided 12 bracket. So the answer for S is 3,850 ringgit and 74 cents. So that's the S.
So I'm going to explain part B, question 2. The question is, Adam is considering purchasing a motorcycle valued at 19,000 ringgit and needs to provide a down payment of 3,000 ringgit. He is currently investigating financing possibility from 2 separate banks, each offering different interest rate and loan duration. Find the monthly payment for each option and determine which option should he choose and justify your answer. Okay, so the option 1 is offered by CMDB Bank. Interest rate is 4.62 compounded monthly, and the tenure is 5 years. Next, option 2 offered by BMMB Bank. Interest rate is 5.42% compounded monthly and the tenure is 4.5 years. So how to answer the questions? First, we need to find the clue of the questions. So the clue question is motor price is 19,000 ringgit, down payment is 3,000 ringgit. So we need to find A. The motor price must be divided by down payment. So A is 16,000 ringgit. So we need to complete the option 1 first. K equals to 0.0426, T equals to 5 years, M equals to 12, I equals to K over M, so 0.0426 over 12, and M multiplied with T, so 12 multiplied with 5 equals to 60. So we need to write the formula and substitute the formula. So 16,000 ringgit, 1 minus 1 plus 0.0462 over 12, the power of the minus 60 over 0.0462. So R equals to 299 ringgit and 16 cents. So we need to calculate the option 2. So K is 5.42%, so it's become 0.0542. T is 4.5 years. M equals to 12. I equals to K per M, so it becomes 0.0542. And M multiplied with T, so 12 multiplied with 4.5 equals to 54. Same with the option 1, we need to write the formula and substitute the formula. So 16,000 ringgit over 1 minus 1 plus 0.0542 over 12, the power of negative 54 over 0.0542. So R equals to 334 ringgit 56 cents. So for the next question, determine which option should he choose and justify your answer. He would choose option 1 because it's more cheaper than option 2.